A few months ago, I started a move of creating online communities, and one of them was Telegram. And so I approached one of my friends I had started Forex with, and invited her to actually my group to join. And because we have few members, I continued, sending setups and trade signals. And members, we are not active. We are not actually, active in the group. And so I continued posting more trade setups and signals. And she told me, why do you continue sending setups to this group yet members are not active, are not responding? Are you talking alone? Are you trying to, share these setups for yourself or what? And I told her that I actually use this Telegram group or platform as my trading journal where I can be documenting my trades. Because after these setups have played out, I'll be going back to the charts and actually see if it worked out or if it did not. And I will be learning my lesson in as far as where to place my stop loss, my take profit, and my perfect entry. And if there is any mistake I made. In other words, I'm trying to backtest my strategy on on a live market. While these members are not active in one way or the other, I'm also benefiting using my own setups. And she was like, okay. And this should be your lesson as well if you're trying to create online communities. It could be Telegram, it could be WhatsApp, it could be YouTube. And you're posting no views, even when people view, there is no any kind of engagement. So if it happens like that, then for you, continue pushing on. All right, so without taking much of the time, let me try to show you what I'm trying to mean here. For example, a few days ago in my Telegram group, currently we have 14 members, and I shared this setup, like stepmother wants to fly. This is a sarcastic post I made. Stepmother is an asset called Step Index in synthetic indices offered by a broker called Delive. Okay, so this is the setup. You can easily see it. Now when it played out, I actually had to post my update. Okay, let me show you the update. You can see this is how it played out. It had to come back like this, and boom, and your TP would have just been this high. Okay, and price took out the external liquidity, and now it is trying to come back. Let me take you to the real market and you see what I'm talking about. So let's go to step index. Step index is here. I was on H4, and this is the trade setup I am telling you, right? So this was supposed to be the TP, and the entry was this one. The stop loss, I was targeting this one. Okay, and this is what actually price did, because here I had seen that it has broken structure, and that's why I said it seems stepmother wants to fly. Okay, and it is still ranging within this zone, right? But the setup played out. So let me just take you to the next setup, which was actually it is this one, volatility 25. So the first one was this one. Actually, you can see it is also on H4. So you can see clearly, observe keenly what happened, because I knew price is going to take out this this low where I marked this line. Okay, this one. So I had to place my stop loss here, and the first TP would be exactly here. The first TP would be here. Yes, and I thought price is likely to break that that trend line, and I could re-enter a second entry. But this time it didn't happen like that. It hit the TP, because that one was actually 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So 1 to 2, what I mean is this one, the journey from here to here, the stop loss and the entry is twice to the TP I was targeting around here. Okay, so after taking that 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, I knew price is likely to continue and I would re-enter on this zone. But it did not happen like this. So look at what happened. So what happened, let me just show you. It is this one, okay? This is what happened. Price had to respect the trend line and continued moving down. And now, what for now I would be waiting for is any pullback if at all it happens, so I can join the sellers. Are you seeing, guys? Okay, let me also take you to the real market and you see what I'm talking about. This is on 1 hour on HF4. Yeah, it is on H4 time frame. So let me go to H4 on volatility 25. What I'm trying to mean. Apologies, my network is a bit poor because here it is supposed to be showing. Why you are seeing this looking like yes, now network is back. You can see. So the figures, this figure should be changing to be in a real market. Yeah, now network is back. You can see the figures are changing. So let me go to volatility 25. You can see, guys. Now, can you see now the setup I was talking about? Let me just see for the meantime. Let me use this one. You can see it was actually around this zone. So price had to move and reached here and rallied down. You see. So even this low is taken out, and now price has grabbed all liquidity. My next zone was this one. Now I should be re-entering around here. So I'll go on a smaller time frame because the pullback did not happen and it stopped on my support zone. We should be looking for buys. Okay, we should be looking for buys, and you pick your entry by going to lower time frame on M30, M15, and if price makes a pullback, okay, and form something like a double top, because me, I believe in double tops. If rather either they are in patterns like double top, double bottom. So here I'm waiting for something like a double bottom. Okay, it can be type 1 or type 2. This is type 2, but it can also do something like this. Something like this. It takes out the low. Okay, this one. So it does like this. So that one could be type 1. So this one, if anything happens like this one, then I can buy. But if it doesn't happen, I will let the price to go, because I know some traders are aggressive. The moment they see 3 candles closing bullish and strong, these candles, let me show you. The moment they see these candles, this one and this one bullish, they immediately enter. Then you place your stop loss below the low of that very current candle. But if you press on the current one, there is a likely that liquidity will take you out. Okay, so those are the 2 types or 3 types of entries you can make. But what I was trying to show you, and the main purpose of today's video, is when you post setups in any group, any social media, always go back to the charts and see what happened, because price will always continue moving. Remember, these are synthetic indices. Price is always moving 24/7 and actually from Monday to Monday. Okay, these are actually synthetic indices by the Live Broker. It is the only broker offering these assets, and if you are interested in trading synthetic indices and joining my group, then my Telegram group, then all the links will be left in the description. Subscribe if you are finding value in my content, and turn on the notification bell icon to be notified of future videos. Until next time, guys, I really love you so much. Good day.